Madam Baby Channel, Mr. Arnold. Thank you so much, Mr. Arnold. Thank you, Mr. Arnold, for dropping by. Edmond, Angelina, Edmond Paris, thank you so much. Antonio Salvador. Let me go to your channel, guys, and let me watch. Let me stop 1 second. Let me go to your channel, and then I'll continue to sing. Now I'll go to whom I'll go? Antonio Salvador. And then Madam Baby Channel. Let me see. Antonio Salvador. I think Antonio Salvador. Sis Antonio Salvador. Oh yeah. Sisi ko, ano ko sa iyo to, Antonio Salvador. This is my idikit ko sa iyo itong aking alalay. Waiting. Okay. And then, let me watch one of your video. Manood ako ng video mo, Sisi. Sandali ha. Mid-roll mo ulit. Thank you so much, Sis Mayes. Madam Baby Channel. Si anong panoorin natin? Kasi hindi ko ito napupuntahan sa LS niya. Si Antonio Salvador. Hindi ko siya napupuntahan sa LS niya. Kaya, puntahan ko siya ha. Puntahan ko siya muna. Siya munang puntahan ko mga bilabod. Mga minamahal, puntahan ko muna siya. And if you say you love me, then I will see I love you too. And I'll see yes. Panood ko pala si Sis Ellen kanina. Nandito siya sa aking record. Salvador Antonio, puntahan kita, sis. Yan, may upcoming ka. Dalawa kami ha, na maghintay sa'yo. Waiting. Feeling pala. Nothing more than feeling. Feeling, oh, feeling. Sis Antonio, manood ako ng video mo. Ito muna ako sa Maiksi lang. Pupuntan pala kita sa ano mo. Ayan, meron kang harang dito siya. Eh wala, hindi harang ito. Dito tayo sa malamig. O sige, kasi mainit. Oo nga. Mainit kasi. Malamig. Malamig muna. Okay. And then, other one. Sino yung isa kong panunod? And, again, to all my members, thank you so much. Trouble Chicato, Benny Lonsaga, One Love TV Mix, and also to my, to Borloloy, and the Motivation Collective. Actually, I need to really make my community, but I am not able to do it because my only available is nighttime, and then I really need to concentrate to do that. And also Anging Free Vlog, one of my members, as well Baby Girl Vlog, also Anida CM, one of my members. Thank you so much to all of you. Very, 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 very helpful for me that you've been my members. Without you guys, members and supporters, I may not go through to my channel. But thanks God for all of your life. Thank you so much for the life of every one of you. I'll sing this song, Still Loving You. Let me see, I know, I think I know